In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom kill sound in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the kill sound inside of Heroes Battlegrounds and how you can find custom ones. So, you will be able to change this option by going over to the settings icon, and you can do this on PC or mobile, and in here, just scroll down until you find kill sound. So as you can see, it is available here under kill sound effect. Now, you will actually need to have this game pass that you can purchase for 199 Robux. Sadly, I don't have it in this account. However, if you do, immediately upon clicking on the option to toggle the kill sound effect, you will be able to include the IDs of a specific audio that you want to use. So where do you find these audios? For you to get new audios that you can use as kill sounds, you just have to go over to the Roblox Creator Hub. So look for the Roblox Creator Hub on Google or go to create.roblox.com. Now go over to the store and then select audio. In here, you will be able to browse through various sound effects that you can use. So I recommend searching for a specific one or just look for kill sound. When you look for kill sound, you will find plenty of examples here that you can use, and you will be able to get the audio. What you can do instead is either click on the audio or go over to more information. Now, once you are redirected here, just copy these numbers at the top of the screen. So on the URL, you are going to have create.roblox.com/store/asset and then a bunch of numbers. Copy these numbers and then go inside of the game. Now, open the kill sound effect menu like I mentioned and paste them here. I apologize for not demonstrating this in full, but like I mentioned, I don't have the game pass on this account, but it's as simple as copying the asset ID and then pasting them here. I hope I was able to help you on how to use custom kill sound in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.